What if I told you there's a budget so simple, you could set it up in the next 10 minutes and never think about it again? It's called the 50/30/20 rule, and it's the exact system I want to walk you through today. Here's how it works. You take your after-tax income and split it into 3 buckets. 50% goes to needs. Rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments, anything you genuinely can't live without. If your needs are eating up more than 50%, that's usually the first sign your lifestyle costs more than your income can comfortably support. 30% goes to wants. Eating out, streaming subscriptions, hobbies, travel, that new pair of shoes. This isn't about deprivation, it's about giving yourself permission to enjoy money without guilt, inside a boundary that keeps you safe. 20% goes to savings and debt payoff. This is the bucket that actually builds your future: emergency fund, retirement accounts, extra debt payments, investments. This is non-negotiable, even if it starts small. Now here's why this works better than complicated budgeting spreadsheets with 15 categories. Simplicity means you'll actually stick with it. Most budgets fail not because the math is wrong, but because they're too complicated to maintain past week 2. Let's do a real example. Say you take home $3,000 a month. That's $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings and debt. 3 numbers. That's it. If your needs are currently eating more than 50%, you have 2 options: earn more, or reduce fixed costs like housing or a car payment. Don't just squeeze your want spending down to 0, that never lasts. Start today. Pull up your last month of bank statements, sort every expense into needs, wants, or savings, and see where you actually land compared to 50/30/20. Most people are surprised by the gap. This isn't a perfect system, no budget is, but it's the simplest one that actually survives real life. And once this becomes automatic, you'll have mental space to focus on the bigger wins, increasing income and investing early. If you found this useful, subscribe for weekly videos on building real wealth in America, and let me know in the comments, what percentage are your needs eating up right now?